let more people like playing models. Well, that's what it says in the box, and it's here. Another new vehicle joins the fleet. Welcome to RC Scale Tales, and it's a 1/18 scale Range Rover, as you can see. It's made by LDR. We're going to open up the box and see what's inside. Let's waste no more time. Enjoy. So there you go. It's 1/18 scale. It's a Range Rover, the 4-door version. The model comes in 2 colours. The British Racing Green, as you can see here, and also the Camel Trophy yellow colour, which you can also see here. The car has the Range Rover wheels. The 4-door version. Looks like it has LED lights. Looks okay. Let's open up the box and have a look. So in the box, you get a very simple controller, 2-channel, throttle, and steering with a trim control. So you also get a bag of accessories, including wipers, mirrors, a USB charger, some light fittings, and a hex driver. Some simple instructions in Chinese and English, and of course the car. Now, at face value, it looks really good. Take the top off. Looks very nice. The top of the vehicle, this is just molded plastic. Can't actually see through it, but door handles to fit. Grille looks good. Very nice. Underneath, nice chassis. Oh, very bouncy suspension. It's very wobbly. The wheels look good. Not actually attached to the wheels. The tyres are no foams, and they're not actually attached to the wheels. They just come off. So you have to look at gluing them. Everything underneath is plastic. So what we'll do now is open up the truck and have a look inside. So to access the inside, you gently pull the bumper forward, and it's actually hinged at the rear. So the battery is a 500 milliamp lithium ion. You have a dual ESC receiver. All your LED lights for the front plug in here. Your motor and your servo. Now what I've done is the car was pretty wobbly and bouncy. So what I've done is I've taken the shocks off and I've removed just under ½ centimetre of spring from each of the shocks. And what this has meant is the wheels still travel as far, but they're not as bouncy, so the suspension is a lot harder. So I'll put this back in. So you just gently pull the bumper forward, and it falls into place. So now you can see the Range Rover is sitting more realistically. Slight drip at the back, but we still have suspension for crossing obstacles. I've also added foams to the tyres. I took an old Tamiya wheel, cut it down the middle, then into 2 halves, so give me 4 pieces, and then put 1 piece in each tyre, and then glued with tyre glue on both sides. And this has made a big difference to the tyres, giving them a bit of grip. I've added some scale logos that I had, and some scale number plates at the rear. It looks really good. To turn controller on, push button down and slide the switch on underneath the car to the left. That's you good to go. You'll notice there's LED lights just at the front of the car, and they remain on regardless whether you're going forward or reverse. Here's a bit of a size comparison with the 1/12 scale MN168. So obviously the LDRC is 1/18 scale and the MN168 is 1/12. And to compare it with 1/10 scale. So the 1/10 scales are SCX-10-2 chassis, the GS scale hard body kit. You can see a lot bigger than the LDRC 1/18. I have to say, a really nice looking version of the Range Rover. Well, as you can see, I like classic Range Rovers. I've got two in the fleet already. The 1/10 scale, the Axial SAX-10-2 with the JS scale body, and recently the 1/12 scale MN168. So when I saw this one, the 1/18th, it had to join the fleet, and I have to say I'm really impressed. It is not bad. At the price point it is, it's excellent value for money. And just doing the little modifications with the suspension and the tyres has turned it from a not that great an RC into a slightly better one, and it's perfect for the lighter trail. Just adding foam to the tyres and gluing the wheels to the rims gives us a better chance of progressing forward. The suspension, just removing 1/2 centimetre of spring from each shock absorber, has made the suspension a little bit harder. Hasn't lost the travel to cross obstacles. It also gives the car a better stance, and it looks really, really cool. I've added my scale decals and logos, etc., and I think that's just added to the look. What did you think of the LDRC? Let me know down below in the comments. Please like the video. Please comment, good or bad, about the video, the channel, the car. I will reply, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. It leads me to say we'll catch you on the next RC Scale Tales video. Keep on crawling, keep on trailing. All the best now. Bye bye.